So we are about to make a bob wig head right here. I got this wig from Sheen. It's a putting it on top of it. So yes, baseball cap. Right here I'm just showing you the inside with the cap. Putting it on the mannequin head. You turn it inside out. Put it on the mannequin head. Okay, don't mind me, y'all. Y'all know I look amazing in all my videos. Okay. So now I use a mid-stone cap. First thing first, mid-stone cap. Yeah, just throw that shit anywhere. Clean that shit up later. Okay. So now we put the mid-stone cap on. Yeah, my wig staying so regular, it will not stay up for nothing. It don't. Everyone I buy, like Amazon is a rip-off. Like these things don't last 2 months. Like you see, y'all see me scriggling. Yeah, I'm scriggling right here. Scriggling. Trying to find a pin right now. The pin to the mannequin head. So yeah, right here we are gonna pin the mid-stone cap down for extra security. Scratch it out. Okay, we got it on. So right here I'm just showing y'all how it look all the way around, how to place the mid-stone cap on the cap. So I'm just right here, I'm just giving it a little more scratch. Okay, we have a metallic marker. This is what I use to draw my guidelines on, or I use chalk. Alright, so you go temple to temple. You draw your line temple to temple. Okay, now y'all, we are taking the mid-stone cap off the canvas head. So yeah, this is my first voiceover. So yeah, if I'm stuttering, y'all know. If y'all watch my YouTube channel, y'all know I got a speech problem. Anyways, yeah, so we using this Sasha hair from the hair store, and we're using 1.5 bundle. So right now I'm in my sewing machine trying to get my bundles right so I could double them. But you know, I skipped the step on doubling, and I just double as I sew. So yeah, I'm doubling my tracks. Most definitely doubling my tracks. Okay, so right here y'all watching me sew the tracks down onto the mid-stone cap. I don't have a video out on how to make a wig on a sewing machine yet, but I will have a video out. But yeah, I'm sewing these tracks down, following the guidelines that I drew earlier. Sewing. I'm fucking up the game soon as my money up. Oh yeah. My bad, y'all. My song just came on. This my song. I'm fucking up the game soon as my money up. That fucking young boy. Okay, y'all. So right here, I'm finished sewing the trace down to the mid-stone cap. And now I'm placing the cap back onto the wig so we can see where. No, this time we. Okay, yeah, I got it on so backwards. Do not, yeah. On this video, it's backwards, and I had to I sewed it all the way down. I sewed it all the way down and had to take it all the way back down because I did it backwards. But yes, turn the mesh stone cap inside out. The track should be shown. The track should be shown on the inside. Like, I don't know if y'all saw it or not, but I did it wrong. But I corrected myself, but I didn't record it. But right here, you basically do the same thing. I'm securing the closure down. I'm securing the mesh stone cap down to the cap so it won't fall off. Yeah, so yeah, I'm showing y'all again how it's still messed up, but don't. The track, see y'all, the track's supposed to be in the inside of the cap. Yeah, but I gotta correct. I did it over off camera though. But yeah, she cute. My girl is cute. Who ain't ready to go to the store? Oh yeah, and yeah, I'm so disappointed in myself, but I cut it into a bowl with the clippers, but it was not recording, so just cut it into the bob, y'all. I had some arrows in this video, but yeah, right here I'm just adjusting my camera. I was getting ready to show y'all how I cut it, but obviously it didn't record. But anyways, this how I look. She cute. Who don't like my bob? Who don't like my bob? Yes, body, boo, body. Don't play with her. Don't play with T. Don't play with no Tay. Nope. So right here, I'm just showing y'all how I cut it. And I'm making sure I show y'all because I forgot how I did it. Oh yeah, she came out pretty cute.